Welcome back, my followers. I'm your host, Ricky Knoles, and this is another episode of Knoles Cool Stuff. And today we are doing the charging test on the Realme GT Neo 2 Dragonball Z edition. Now, with this one, originally with the Realme GT Neo 2, it had the Snapdragon 870 chip in it. But this one has the Snapdragon 865. Will that make a difference in the charging test? Maybe, maybe not. Now, this phone will have a 5,000 milliamp battery and 65 watt fast charging. So, how long did it take to go from 0 to 100 with the phone set up as if you were actually using it? All right, so it's going to have the always on display and all that stuff when it turns on, because I do a charging test as if you were using it as your regular phone, not just coming out of the box charging, okay? So, let's find out. Will it meet its advertised time of 36 minutes from 0 to 100? Can it make it? Let's find out here. So let's start charging! Wow, that was blazing fast. Just like how Goku said, "Oh, well, I could have got to you much faster. I could just did that instant teleportation." He didn't do it, but this was so fast. From 0 to 100%, it took 30 minutes and 51 seconds, I think. That is pretty quick. And that's basically, you don't use your phone. It's not charged when you wake up. You plug it in. You brush your teeth, take a shower, do your morning poop, and boom, it's ready to go when you're ready to walk out the door, dressed and ready to go to work. That's quick, all right? So, and it did live up to its 36-minute mark, all right? It said it could charge from 0 to 100 in 36 minutes. It did it faster than that, all right? That is always great to see. So, the Realme GT Neo 2 is a fast charger. Alright, so if you like this video, hit those like buttons, hit that bell for notification when I drop new video, either on tech, toys, or Funko Pops, or whatever I feel like shooting that day. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be part of Knoles Cool Stuff family. Until always, my followers, be cool.